Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Charaka Samhita Indriya Sthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this block. Chapter 12 Gomaya Churniyam Indriyam Adhyaya Auspicious and Inauspicious Characteristic of the Messenger. Part 2. Summary of all moribund signs. Now the signs and change in condition as proposed and accepted by scriptural authority will be described. Vasadam charamam kalam sharireshu sharirinam abhi ugranam vinashaya dehebhyaha pravivatsadam. This indicates departure of the soul having lived in the body for maximum period prepared to migrate out of the body after relinquishing the beloved prana. Ishtam tidikshadam pranan kandam vasam jihasadam tandrayandreshu binneshu tamo andyam pravikshadam. Giving up the beautiful abode and entering into the final darkness when all the system and organs are disintegrated. Binasha yeha rupani yani avastantharani cha bhavanti tani vakshyami yadodesham yathakamam. These are as follows. Pranaha samupatapyante vijnanam uparudhyate vamanti phalamangani cheshta vyuparamandi cha. Informity of prana. Pranaha samupa tapyante. Cloudiness of understanding. Vijnanam uparudhyate. Strength drains from body organ. Vamanti bhalamangani. Cessation of movement. Cheshta vyuparamandi. Second. Indriyani vinashyanti. Gili bhavati chedana. Autsukyam bhajate sattvam. Chedo bhira vishatyabhi. Sensory abilities get destroyed. Indriyani vinashyanti. Impairment of conscious. Gili bhavati chedana. Curiosity makes mind restless. Autsukyam bhajate sattva. Mind informed with fear. Chedo bhira vishadi abhi. Smritihi tyajati meda cha hri sriya cha abasarpadaha. Upaplavande papmana ojo tejascha dashyati. Distraction of memory, smriti, medha, intellect, hri, natural shy, sri, luster. Aggravation of symptom of disease, upaplavande pavmana. Destruction of ojas and teja, ojo teja nashyati. Sheelam vyavartade atyartam, bhaktischa parivartade, vikriyande pradichaya, chayacha, vikriti prati. Radical change in conduct, sheelam vyavartade. Changes in liking and disliking, atyartha bhaktischa parivartade. Distortion in reflected image, pradichaya, and apparition of individual, chaya. Shukram prachyavade sthana, unmargam bhajade anilaha, kshayam masani gachanti, gachanti asrik abhikshayam. Ejection of semen from on place, shukram prachyavade. Upward movement of vayu, sthanat unmargam bhajade anilaha. Wasting of muscle tissue and loss of blood. Kshayam mamsani gachanti asrak abhikshayam. Ushmanaha pralayam yanti vislesham yanti sandayaha gandha vigridimayanti bedam varnaswaro tatha. Attenuation of ushmanaha pralayam yanti. Dislocation of joint vislesham yanti sandayaha. Morbid changes in body odor, hoarseness of voice and alteration in complexion. Gandha vigridimayanti bedam varnaswaro tatha. Vaivarnyam bhajade kayaha, kaya chidram vishushyadi, dhumaha sanjayade murdani, darunakyascha churnagaha. Discoloration of body. Vaivarnyam bhajade kaya. Dryness in body orifice. Kaya chidram vishushyadi. Appearance of excessive smoke in head. Dhumaha sanjayade murdani. Appearance of powder-like cow dung in head. Darunakyascha churnagaha. Sabada spandana deshaha sharire ye abhileksheda te stambhanugadaha sarvena chalanti kadachana. Complete cessation of pulsation in body area. Sadada spandana which pulsate constantly in normal course, that is sadada spandana stamba. गुणाः शरीरदेशानां शीतोष्णमृदुधारुणाः विपर्यासेन वर्तन्ते स्थानेषु अन्येषु तद्विदाः. Attributes manifestation of opposite property like cold, shida, hot, ushna, soft, mrudu, hard, daruna, and similar other in various area of body. नगेषु जायते पुष्पं पङ्गोदन्तेषु जायते जडाः पक्ष्मसु जायन्ते सीमन्तश्च अभिमूर्धने. Pushpa, flower spots appear in nail, naga, and mud-like adherence in teeth. Pangodandeshu jayate. Matting of eyelashes, jadaha pakshmasu. Appearance of hair partition, seemandaschabi murdani. भेषजानीन संवृत्तिं प्राप्नुवन्ति यथा रुचि यानि च अभि उपपद्यन्ते तेषां वीर्यं न सिद्धयति. Difficulty to obtain result even after taking desired quality medicine. नाना प्रकृतयः क्रूरा विकारा विविध औषधाः क्षिप्रं समाभिवर्तन्ते प्रतिहत्य बलौचसि. Manifestation of various type of disease. नाना प्रकृतयः क्रूरा विकारा which destroy bodily strength and urges. Shipram sama abhivartante pradihatya balam aujasi. And needs multiple drugs. Vividha aushadaha for same. शब्दः स्पर्शो रसो रूपं गन्धश्चेष्टा विचिन्तितम् उत्पद्यन्ते अशुभा अन्येव प्रतिकर्म प्रवृत्तिषु. Manifestation of inauspicious sound, shabda, touch, sparsha, taste, rasa, vision, rupam, smell, gandha, action, cheshta, vichinditam, thoughts, occurs while physician thinking about treatment of the patient. दृश्यन्ते दारुणाः स्वप्ना दौरात्म्यम् उपजायते प्रेष्याः प्रदीपदां यान्ति प्रेताकृति उदीर्यते. To see cruel traits, hostile efforts of informer, duda, and changes in body constitution like a ghost. प्रेताकृति उदीर्यते. प्रकृति हीयते अत्यर्थं विकृतिश्च अभिवर्धते कृत्सनम् औत्पादिकं घोरम् अरिष्टम् उपलक्ष्यते. Diminution of normal character feature prakriti and excessive aggravation of morbid condition atyartha vikriti. Manifestation of majority of cruel signs of immediate death. इत्येतानि मनुष्याणां भवन्ति विनिश्यतां लक्षणानि यथोद्देश्यं यानि उक्तानि यथागमम्. As asked earlier, the signs of immediate death told by authority are described. Medical ethics for conveying death signs. मरणायेह रूपाणि पश्यता अपि भिषग्विधा अपृष्टेन न वक्तव्यं मरणं प्रति उपस्थितम्. In spite of seeing signs of imminent death, the physician should not announce about the patient unless he is specially requested for so. पृष्टेन अपि न वक्तव्यं तत्र यत्र उपघातकम् आतुरस्य भवेत् दुःखम् अथवा अन्यस्य कस्यचित्. Even on request, it should not be announced if it is likely to result in collapse of the patient or to distress others. Approvan maranam tasya nainam icche chikilsitum yasya pashyed vinashaya lingani kushalo bishan. After seeing such signs of imminent death, a wise physician should not demand to treat the patient without announcing about his death. लिंगेभ्यो मरणाख्येभ्यो विपरीतानि पश्यता लिंगानि आरोग्यमागन्तु वक्तव्यं विषजा ध्रुवम्. दूतैः औत्पादिकैः भावैः पत्य आधुरकुलाश्रयैः आधुर आचारशील इष्टद्रव्य सम्पत्तिलक्षणैः. If physician come across the positive signs of recovery, लिंगेभ्यो मरणाख्येभ्यो विपरीतानि पश्यता, like the positive signs seen in an informer, or manifestation of some of auspicious sign appears in the way of patient's home, good feature at the patient's home, adurachara, shile, good manners, and conducts of the patient, and ishtadravya sambatti lakshanaihi, availability of quality drug, the physician certainly announce it positively. Auspicious positive signs of messenger. स्वाचारं हृष्टम् अव्यङ्गं यशस्यं शुक्लवाससम् अमुण्डमजडं दूतं जातिवेशक्रियासमम् अनुष्ट्रघर यानस्थम् असन्ध्या स्वग्रहेषु च अधारुणेषु नक्षत्रेषु अनुग्रहेषु ध्रुवेषु च विना चतुर्थीं नवमीं विना रिक्तं चतुर्दशीं मध्याह्नमर्धरात्रं च भूकम्पं राहुदर्शनं विना देशमशस्तं च अशस्तौ औत्पादिकलक्षणं दूतं प्रशस्तं अव्यग्रं निर्दिशेत् आगतं विशक्. If an informer comes with the following characteristic, should be considered auspicious and it is a sign of good or favorable prognosis. Swacharam, Hrishtam Avyangam, the informer who is with good conduct and behavior. Yashasyam, reputed. Shuklavasasam, well dressed in white and clean clothes. Well shaved, Amunda, or whose hair well combed, Ajadam. His dress and actions are analogous to his caste, Jadi Veshakriya Sama. Has not come on a vehicle carried by camel, ushra, or donkey, Ghara. He has not come at the time of Sandhya, junction of evening and night, Asandhya Swagraheshu. He has not come at the time when cruel planets are situated in some inauspicious place, Adharuneshu. Has arrived at a time when the nakshatra is not appropriate or auspicious, Nakshatreshu Anugraheshu Dhruveshu Cha. Has arrived on other than Vina Chaturthi, that is other than 4th, Navami 9th, 14th lunar day. Has come at the time other than noon, Madhyana or Ardharatra midnight, no earthquake, Bhukamba and eclipse, Rahu Darshana. Come from auspicious place, Vina Desham Ashastam, and no manifestation of any sign of impending death, Cha Ashastav Autpadika Lakshana. He is not anxious, Avyagra. Such informers are told of having good prognostic for the patient. Positive sights on the way to patient's house. Didyakshada, Dvijadina, Vrishabhanam Nrubasya cha, Ratnana Purna Kumbhanam, Sidasya Turagasya cha, Sura Dvaja Padhakanam, Phalanam Yavagasya cha, Kanyam Pum Vardhamananam, Baddasya Ega, Pashostatha. पृथ्व्या उद्धृतायाश्च वाह्नेः प्रज्वलितस्य च मोदगानां सुमनसां शुक्लानां चन्दनस्य च मनोज्ञस्य अन्नपानस्य पूर्णस्य शगडस्य च. Curd, Dadi, India rice Akshada, Brahmin, Dvijadina, King's Bullock, Vrishabhanam, Nrubasya, Gems Ratnanam, Waterfill Pot, Purna Kumbhanam, White Horse, Sidasya Turagasya, Sura Dvaja Padhaganam, Flag and Banner of Lord Indra, Fruits Phalanam, Yavaga Barley, Kanya Pum Vardhamananam, Baddasya Ega Pashostatha, boy and girl seated in elder's lap, Prithvya Udradayascha, upturned land, Vahnehe Prajwalidasya, blazing fire, Modaganam sweets, Sumanasam Shuklanam, white color flower, Chandanasya sandal paste, Manojnasya Annapanasya, delicious food articles and drinks, Purnasya Shagadasya, fully loaded cart with its driver. Nribihi Denavaha, Savatsaya Vadavayaha, Striyastatha, Jeevan Jeevaga Siddhartha, Sarasa Priyavadinam, Hamsanam Shadapatranam, Chashanam Shighinam Tatha, Matsya Aja Dvija, Shankanam, Priyangunam, Kridasya Cha. Rujaga Darsha Siddhartha Rojananam, Cha Darshanam, Gandaha, Surabhi Varnascha, Sushuklo Madhuro, Rasaha. Nribihi Denvaha, cows with calf, Savatsaya Vadavaya, maya with her calf, Striyastatha, woman with her child, birds like Jeevan Jeevaga, Siddhartha, Sarasa, Priyavadinam, Hamsa, Shiginam, Matsya fish, Aja god, Dvija Shankanam, elephant, Priyangunam, Grudasya ghee, Rujaga salt, Darsha mirror, Siddhartha white mustard, Rojananam cha darshanam, bile of cow, Gandha surabhi to have good fragrance, Varnascha sa shuklo, white colored. Madhuro rasaha, sweet taste. मृगा पक्षिम अनुष्याणां प्रशस्ताश्च गिरः शुभाः छत्र ध्वज पदाघानाम् उत्क्षेपणम् अभिष्टुतिः भेरी मृदङ्ग शङ्खानां शब्दाः पुण्याः निस्वनाः वेद अध्ययन शब्दाश्च सुखो वायुः प्रदक्षिणः प्रशस्ताश्च गिरः शुभाः auspicious voice of मृग animal pakshi bird मनुष्याणां human Utshebana, unfolding of umbrella, chatra, padagana, flag, dvaja, banners. Shabdaha, sound of cattle drum, beri, mridanga, and conjus, shangana. Auspicious sound, punyaha, nisvinaha, of Veda Adhyayana, Vedic hymn recitation. And Sukho Vayuhu Pradakshinaha, soothing wind from south direction. Padi Veshma Praveshani to Vidyadharogya Lakshana. During entering or on the way of patient's house, the physician comes across to the following good signs which indicate good recovery and prognosis of the patient. Positive signs in patient's house. Some are auspicious signs indicative of good prognosis. Mangalajara Sambannaha Sa Aduro Vaishmiko Janaha. Patient and his family member involved in auspicious acts. Mangala Ajara Sambannaha looks faithful and favorable in nature. श्रद्धाधानो अनुकूलश्च प्रबोधद्रव्यसङ्ग्रह धन ऐश्वर्यसुखावाप्ति इष्टलाभः सुखेन च द्रव्याणां तत्र योग्यानां योजनासिद्धिरेव च collection of adequate funds and required material श्रद्धाधानो अनुकूलश्च प्रबोधद्रव्यसङ्ग्रह attainment of dhana wealth aishwarya power sukha happiness ishtalabha easy access of desirable object द्रव्याणां तत्र योग्यानां easy availability of required drug. Yojana Siddhireva, favorable effect of drug when administered in patient. Griha Prasada Shailanam, Naganam Rishabhasya cha, Hayana Purishanam cha Swapne, Samadhi Rohanam, Soma Arka Agni Dvijadhainam, Gavam Nranam Payasvinam, Arnavana Pradharanam Vriddhihi, Sambadani Sridihi. Dreams like Samadhirohanam, climbing on Griha house, Prasada palace, Shaila hill, elephant bullock, Naganam Rishabhasya, horse Hayanam, human Purishanam. Vision of Soma moon, Arka sun, Agni fire, Dvija Brahmin, Gava cow, Nranam man, Nranam Payasvina, man carrying milk, Arnavana Pradharanam, swimming in ocean or crossing the seas, improvement from bad situation or end of problem of suffering. Swapne devaihi sapidrubihi prasannaihi cha abhibhashanam darshanam shukla vastranam hridsya vimalasya cha मांसमत्स्य विषा अमेद्य छत्र दर्श परिग्रह स्वप्ने सुमनसं चैव शुक्लानां दर्शनं शुभम् अश्व गो रथयानं च यानं पूर्व उत्तरेण च रोदनं पतित उद्धानं द्विषदं च अवमर्दनं दर्शनं सि स्वप्ने देवैः sapridrbihi prasannaihi cha abhibhashanam. In the dream to have talk with gods, deva, forefathers, sapidrbihi, in their joyful mood, prasanna abhibhashanam. Hridasya vimalasya, to see white clothes, shukla vastranam, to have meat, mamsa, fish, matsya, poison, visha, keeps himself away from amedya, and using umbrella, chatra, mirror, darsha, seeing of white flower, riding on ashwa, horse, bull, go, Radhayanam chariot, and Yana Purva Uttarena, moving towards northeast. Padidodhanam, rising after falling. Dvishadam cha avamardaram, defeat of enemies. These all are considered as signs of good prognosis. Auspicious signs of health. Sattva Lakshana Samyogo, Bhaktihi Vaidya Dvijadishu. Sadhayatvam Nacha Nirvedaha Tadharogyasya Lakshanam. Person with Sattva Lakshana Samyoga, good and noble quality, faith, bhakti, devotion toward the physician and Brahman, Vaidya Dvijadishu, not having negative feeling regarding his health is a sign of quick recovery from disease. आरोग्यात् बलमायुश्च सुखं च लभते महत् इष्टांश्च अपि आभरान् भावान् पुरुषः शुभलक्षणम्. He attains arogya, health, bala, strength, ayu, longevity, sugam, happiness, and other benefits by these good qualities. Summary. Tatra slogau uktam gomaya churniye maranarogya lakshanam duda swapna adura utpada yukti siddhi vyabhasrayam. To sum up, in these chapters, signs of imminent death is indicated by appearance of substance resembling cow dung powder on his head. Signs and symptoms of imminent death. Quick recovery, informer, duda, dream swapna, patient situation, adhura, utpada, and accomplishment are described. Ididam uktam prakritam yatha tatham tadvaveksham sadadam vishagvida tadahi siddhim cha yashascha shashvatam sa siddha karma labhate dhanani cha. Signs and symptoms mentioned here should always be observed and studied well by physician. Then only a physician can attain success, fame, and wealth. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, you can post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.